These birds are famous for their strong, curved beaks, zygodactyl feet, 2 toes forward, 2 often extremely bright plumage, high intelligence, among the smartest birds, rivaling some primates in problem solving, ability to mimic sounds in human speech, especially species like African greys, Amazons, and some macaws. Cockatoos often with crests very cuddly, destructive. African grey, parrots, budgerigars, budgies, small birds, conures, cockaseals, eclectus, etc. There